So guys, when we were at Tiny Fest, the owner of Timber Tote came up to us and asked us if we wanted to log and asked us to make some content for him. And so I figured I'd show you guys how easy it is to start these fires. And you drop it down.
Melted, and then we're all good to go. So this timber tote is working pretty well. These timber totes will burn for 2.5 hours. It will burn like this upwards so that you can cook on top of it, and then eventually the whole thing will just kind of like fully burn and it'll become coals. So I'm excited to see how long it lasts, and then we have a bunch more wood. We're probably just gonna have a fire knot tonight and just keep it going, you know. And I also have some wine to have tonight with the pasta. So yeah, ooh, look at look at that cheese all melted. It's just about done. Worked pretty well to cook on.
Oh, I don't even think I got a noodle.
Ooh, it's crispy on the bottom. It kind of adds a nice touch. I think this would be really good to cook like hash browns on because they get really crispy.
No, it's very good.
I think it is a really cool design, and I'm excited to see how it continues to burn the rest of the night.
It's still burning. I mean, lit it
Oh
almost,
yeah.
What, 30 minutes ago?
Probably longer.
Probably 30, 45 minutes?
Yeah.
And they said when it starts to burn up a little bit more, you just turn it over, put more wood on top, and it'll keep burning. Buy Timber Tote.